take a look at how I transformed ordinary painter's drop cloths into very cute, shabby chic, country French decor. You will see that I used two different methods of making these. I started out with just a very basic, simple pattern of a heart. You can make it whatever size you want your final product to be. And the first step of cutting this heart shape out of just ordinary drop cloths, pin the pattern to the drop cloth, and you want to use 2 layers here because you're going to sew or glue this together. And cut this out about 1/2 inch larger than the size of the pattern. I cut out several of these, and I'm going to use IOD stamps to put different designs on each one. And you'll see as we go how I use muslin cloth or different trims to embellish these and give them all a little bit different look. For the IOD stamps, the sheep is from the Farmhouse set of stamps, and these roses are from the Floral Swag stamp set of IOD stamps. At the end of this video, you're going to see a little pop-up of another one of my videos. Please click on that, and it will take you to one of my most viewed videos, and I think it's one that you'll enjoy. This next stamp set is one of my favorite IOD stamp sets. It's called Rose Toile. I forgot to tell you to wash and dry the drop cloth before you use that. It makes them really soft and nice. Next stamp is a pair of cute little birds, and you can find this on my Amazon store. I have that linked in the description below. Now I'm going to take both layers of drop cloth and place a filling, either fiber fill or something like quilt batting, in between the 2 layers of drop cloth that I've cut out. And what I've decided to do, that you'll see me working on here, is use some packing material that's actually shredded jeans, shredded blue jeans that was used in a shipment of cold food that I received. I'm repurposing this because it's really good material. It's almost 1 inch thick. And I'm using that same pattern, but I'm cutting it at 1/2 inch smaller than the pattern because this will go in between the 2 layers of drop cloth. And what I'm doing here is taking the drop cloth I've cut out, sandwiching the filling in between the 2 layers. And as I said earlier, you can either hot glue this. I chose to hand stitch it. I think it turns out really cute and it's very simple. So I'm just pinning these pieces together to make sure that everything lines up. And I'm going to do a very simple, just running stitch or plain hand stitch to hold these pieces together. And it's a really, really cute, rustic, shabby chic look. And so here are my very basic supplies here, just a few sewing pins to hold these together, and then just some quilting thread, scissors, a small hand sewing needle, and that's really about all you need to sew these together. Here's a quick just flip through of all the different patterns I created with IOD stamps, and I'll put either fiber fill or this sort of quilt batting in the middle. On the ones that I'm going to put fiber fill in, I just leave about a 3-inch opening so that I can stuff those and then finish stitching it up. Remember to watch for the video pop-up at the end of this video. It's another one of my videos that I think you'll enjoy. And here's how I make a simple bow of muslin strips to make this look really rustic or shabby chic. This strip is just folded underneath itself to form about 3 loops, and then you take another more narrow piece of muslin, tie a knot around the bow, and then you can also use this as the tails or the ends of the bow there, or you could add more pieces of lace or muslin cloth or other trim to make this look a little bit more shabby. And then to make the strip for hanging this with, you're just going to take a smaller strip of muslin cloth, or you could use drop cloth or any other trim, but you'll put a knot in each end of this trim so that you can hot glue it or stitch it to the top of the heart and hang it. And that's how cute these turn out to be. They're really cute in any decor or with any decor. They could go in a little girl's room. It could be wedding decor. It fits with rustic, shabby chic, or country French decor. You can make these as simple as you want them to be, or you can really get fancy and put ornate things that dress them up a bit more.